The kindergarten students at Washington International School use the Education's screencasting app on the iPad to communicate their understanding for the unit of inquiry on water. The teachers worked with the instructional technologist to plan a series of lessons, with the students responding to teacher questions drawn from the lines of inquiry. Another group of content standards were the Information and Communication Literacies ICL learning outcomes. One of the outcomes was to use print and online graphic organizers to organize information. Another ICL learning outcome was to draw conclusions to create new understandings. Students were also given the opportunity to express knowledge and artistic creativity in a variety of formats using print and digital media. A final ICL learning outcome was for the students to navigate and manipulate text and images using device-specific tools. Examples might be trackpad, touchscreen, mouse, and in this case, voice record and manipulate images on the screen. The initial lesson drew on the students' experience with the Educations app. We had used Educations to support previous units of inquiry. The role of the learner was to be in full control over how he or she expressed his or her understanding of the questions that the teachers asked. We met once a week to have the students answer a question drawing from the previous week of learning. It is important to note that the students recorded their answers in either Spanish or French. The images provided a good visual representation to guide them as they recorded with me or the teacher. Looking at the SAMR model, I would say this lesson was transformational as the pre-literate students were not able to provide written responses. Plus, the oral aspect gave the teachers further assessment opportunity other than the content of the answers. The unit concluded with students sharing iPads to watch and learn from each other's completed videos. The Water Unit project was a good example of collaboration and technology integration designed to support the learning goals of the unit of study. The teachers logged into the Education's website to review and assess each student's understanding of the lines of inquiry. They reported that across the board, their students had learned the lessons they had taught about water. I also could report that the students reached the ICL learning outcomes.